Hello, we have another microphone, wireless microphone, and I'm going to test it to see if I like it and what the quality is. We're going to test for distance. We're going to look, and hopefully everything works out on this, because I am trying to find a microphone that I can use to record these videos. So there's not much on the box, so let's get into it. Cut it open. I don't like really long videos, so I'm gonna make some short videos here. So open it up. Let's see, how do we get it open? Here we go. Oh, this one comes in a case. All right, let's look at instructions here. Oh, wireless. So it's big instructions. It looks like it's a whole bunch of different models, all in one instruction booklet. I will read that later. Let's see what the product looks like. Ooh, let's open it up. This is a plastic zippered. Ooh, up here, what do we got here? We got a cat. Let's open it up. What are they called? Sound. There's a sound deadener. Wind deflector. That's pretty neat. It's got a little clip on it. Let's see. Oh, they give you two of them. All right. So go here. You got USB to a C charger. Clip. Let's see what this is. This goes on to the iPhone. And there's a headphone jack in there. I'm assuming the headphone jack is for listening to, yes, there, look at that. Up and lower, that's for the headphones, and this is for the Bluetooth, I'm guessing. And we have the transmitter. Ugh, if I can get it out. This is a hard package. Okay, so this one has a microphone built in. And it's got a headphone built in. Charger there, some lights. I don't know if this is a display. And then there's a mute, volume. I don't see how you turn it on. I'm assuming you turn it on that way. It just lights up. I don't think there's a display. I think it's just a, I think on other models it's a display, but that just lights up. It needs charged up. That's what it is. I'll do this later on the next one. I'll get it all charged up. This one does not, the clip does not move. And this just clips onto the microphone straight on like that, which I don't know. If you're clipping this on, it's on like that. You clip it on. Clip that on. I don't know if you can get the headphone jack in there.